Hi, I'm Jared Allen with your Crestone Colorado Sky Report. Happy winter solstice, everyone. I wish you warmth and wellness on this first official day of winter. The solstice occurred at 3:02 a.m. this morning. Sunny and mostly clear today with temps in the 30s for the start of the season. The big story today is, of course, the Jupiter and Saturn conjunction occurring tonight just after sunset. The two planets and their orbits will appear to be one bright star on the western horizon. You'll be able to see this for one night only tonight with the naked eye. Weather conditions permitting, of course. Luckily here in Crestone, the sky is shaping up to be fairly clear going into tonight. The celestial event is once-in-a-lifetime spectacle, as it won't happen again until 2080. So get outside and look up if you can, but if you miss it in person, that's okay. Stay tuned as I'll have more coverage on the conjunction in tomorrow's report. Cold and clear going into Tuesday. Happy solstice, everyone. I'm Jared Allen with your Crestone Energy Fair Sky Report.